streams, electric waves of motion tear apart my dreams. Hydra Pulse's heart beats wild and raw, alive with coding spirits, no time for flaw. Voices of the crowd rise like a tribal shout, lost in live creation, break the limits out. Baseline heavy rolling shakes my chest, digits untamed crash, patterns protest. Sweat drips, rhythm flows wrapped in sound. This energy no chain can hold us down. Systems fuse glowing, bright flames alive. Through code and motion, within we thrive. Loops of creation dance with our intent, living through the algorithm, a life unspent. Hydra Pulse's heart beats wild and raw, alive with coding spirits, no time for flaw. Voices of the crowd rise like a tribal shout, lost in live creation, break the limits out.